Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN EDGE 540. In this video I'll show you how to manage laps settings. In the beginning, let's go to menu by pressing in and holding this button. Next, enter activity profiles and select your profile. Scroll down and go to alerts and prompts. Next, scroll down again, enter lap, and here you can enable auto lap. Change auto lap trigger by distance, by position or by time. Select lap at, distance, and select custom lap banner. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.